Today we started our day with a new journey, a journey towards Saptasungi Gad. Sri Saptasungi Gad is situated at a distance of 60 km from Nasik. We will reach to our destination in somewhere around 2.5 hours. With enjoying this beautiful scenery of monsoon, let us know more about Saptasungi Gad. It is located in Nanduri, Kalwan Taluka, a small village near Nasik in Maharashtra. Nanduri village is situated at the foot of the Saptasungi Gad. The temple is situated at 4,659 feet above from sea level. According to Hindu traditions, the goddess Saptasungi Nivasini dwells within the 7 mountain peaks. Sapta means 7 and Shrungi means peak. There are 510 steps to climb the Gad. Devotees visit this place in large numbers every day. The temple is also known popularly as one of the 3.5 Shakti Pitas of Maharashtra. The temple is also one among 51 Shakti Pitas located on the Indian subcontinent and is located where one of the Satis, wife of Lord Shiva, lives. Her right arm is reported to have fallen. It is half Shakti Pit among 3.5 Shakti Pit of Maharashtra. The figure of goddess is about 8 feet high, carved in relief out of the natural rock. She had 18 hands, 9 on each side, each hand grasping a different weapon. Saptasungi Gad is a place where goddess Bhagwati dwells. Saptasungi Hills has varieties of flora having medicinal worth. There are various kund like Kali Kund, Surya Kund and Tatriya Kund. Opposite to the Saptasungi Gad, to the east, divided by the deep ravine, is Markandeya Hill. This is said to have been the abode of sage Markandeya. During his lifetime, he used to recite Purans for his amusement of the Devi and written Durga Saptasati. Large fairs are held in Chaitras and Ashwin. It was quite raining, so we need to take stop. Now it has stopped raining, so we need to move ahead towards our destination. At this point, we need to stay alert because we were not able to see far more than about 40 to 50 feet. Now we felt that we have reached our destination. We saw some devotees coming with traditional way with traditional music. Now we reach towards the Kund of Saptasungi Gad. It was all rainy day. Now we can see different types of shops having different types of products. Now we are ready to take darshan of goddess Saptasungi Mata. And please subscribe the channel to explore more such videos with us. Stay tuned. Goodbye.